I'm studying in UKG. My name is Aditya. I'm studying in UKG.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka. Kuvenpu, Dr. Bemre, Shivarankana, Mashi Venkateshayanka, V.K. Gokul, Yuvalantamurti, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambas.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Satraya, Assam, Makidas, Madhya Pradesh, Gandiya, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamnabarni, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Lalanda, Varoshashi, Indira Gandhi, Bharati Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pradhan Singh, Chandrasekhar, B.D. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Devegowda, Himal Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dasavatar of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatar of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Purma, Varava, Narasimha, Bhavana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
Five oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Antarctic Ocean.
Name of Rutus.
Name of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Vaishya Rutu, Sharanta Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar month.
Hindu lunar month: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bharupara, Ashita, Kartika, Margasira, Pusha, Magha, Falguna.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayavarma, Amonga Vasha, Madarkai Nayaka, Indurani Chandama, Akka Bukka, Samarat Vadia.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Janavati, गणेश चतुर्थी, नवरात्रि, दसरा, दीपावली, महाशिवरात्रि, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighter of India.
Women freedom fighter of India. Bhai Deshmukh, Manna Sabali, Sutin Rashipalini, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sana Manani, Sana Ali Naidu, Kastuba Gandhi, Vasanti Devi, Indurani
District in Karnataka.
District in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru, Arman, Belgavi, Chikbalapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Devanagari, Taruvan, Gadag, Assam, Kaveri, Kalaburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Kopala, Mandia, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shivamoga, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Vijayapura, Yakiri.
State and capital.
State and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh, Shikanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Nagaland, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Kinjantap, Ladu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Arakala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Country and capital.
Country and capital. India, New Delhi, Russia, Moscow, Thailand, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Afghanistan, Kabul, Bhutan, Kathmandu, Thimphu, Sri Lanka, Colombo, USA, Washington, United Kingdom, London, Canada, Ottawa, France, Paris, Italy, Rome, Narni, Indonesia, Jakarta, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Japan, Tokyo, Kenya, Nairobi, Malaysia, Colombo, Oman, Muscat, Thailand, Bangkok, Qatar, Doha.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists. J. Abdul Kalam, Satyendra Nath Bose,